How to add the YouTube search widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on widgets. After that, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on YouTube. And then in here, touch and hold on the search widget and then drop it onto your home screen and let go. Here you can resize it so that it will fit the width of your home screen, or you can make it shorter or smaller. And that's it. To quickly search for a video, you can just tap on that, and then it said here YouTube is running in dark mode to save battery. Just say I got it, and then tap on allow, and that's it. And that is how you can add the YouTube widget to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.